Hey friends, it is me, Stace, and today we're using our Cricut Joy machine to cut out vinyl to apply to this container, and then we're going to apply Armor Etch to that. So you can see that there. So we're going to do a little bit of glass etching today. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already inside a Cricut Design Space on the welcome screen. We're going to stay on this screen, then go to the bottom, and you will see a category called Learn to Etch Glass, which is right there. The design I'm choosing is this one here. It's just called Etched Glass Jar. Going to click on that. It'll bring up a preview window. The very bottom, choose Edit a Copy. All right, so we have the design here. I did measure my area that I want to put my design. So I want to resize this piece, have it selected, go to the very top toolbar. I'm leaving the lock locked, and I'll make this be 3 by 3. I already have my Joy selected. At the very top corner, choose Make It. Now, if you have this error pop up, go ahead and click OK. Then come down here at the bottom left-hand corner of Design Space and click on the minus sign one time, and you will see these designs here. Just go ahead and delete those. Upper right-hand corner, again, choose Make It. And I'm going to just choose any material. Choose Confirm. I'm going to put it, I guess right there is good. Let's go ahead and choose Continue. And I'm using regular Oracal vinyl, nothing special. I'm going to go ahead and choose Smart Vinyl Permanent. I'll change my pressure from default to more. I'm going to load my Joy up, cut the vinyl out. We'll go to the table and apply our etching cream to that. All right, we're back. Everything is cut. Let's going to take the vinyl off of our mat. And I'm going to go ahead and weed that out. Very easy, just bend it and then pull all these pieces up. I'm going to take my dental pick and get the other pieces. I have that one and one more. There we go. Oop, let me grab that. Okay. Now there's already a weeding box around it, so I'm going to go ahead and just remove this piece of the vinyl. All right, we're going to take our transfer tape, apply that to that. Take a little scraper. I did lay down my non-stick mat just in case I do drip some of the etching cream. I don't want to etch my glass mat under that. I did clean my jar with rubbing alcohol. Let's take this off. Go slow, make sure everything comes with it. Okay, we're going to take this. I'm going to put it toward me first, just so I can kind of eyeball it. Okay, so I think right there looks pretty good. Now you want to just rub it down really well. You want to focus on the area here where our design is, all that scallop edge. Take your little scraper. Okay, let's peel this off. And like I said before, with all my other vinyl tutorials, when you're taking the transfer tape off, you want to have that be flat. If you have it going straight up like this, you risk this puckering. And we don't want this to pucker or have bubbles in it. Just go slow. Oh, let's see, make sure everything goes on that jar. Okay, we have that. Now I am going to go back in and just kind of press really well around that heart scallop. All right, now we're going to take our etching cream. I just have this Armor Etch. I've had it for a number of years. I believe I got this at Michael's or Joann's. I did shake it already. Now if you want to, you can wear gloves. Just take a good dollop of it and put it on top. Whatever you don't use, we can scrape this off and put it back in our jar. But I do like using a lot. Okay, and I'm going to spread it out. You want a thick, even layer. And we're going to let this sit. I let mine sit for about almost a half hour, 25 minutes to a half hour. Okay, we're going to leave that alone. Scrape this off, put that back in your jar. I'm going to set that aside. Take a wipey. And I'm going to go and clean the outside of my jar. And then put the lid back on. Alright, we're going to let that sit, do its thing for about 25 or so minutes. I will come back. I'll let you guys know exactly how long I let it sit. We'll take it off, take it to the bathroom, rinse it off, and then come back and see how we did. So I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, it has been a half hour. Let's go and take this etching cream off. Just take your popsicle stick, scrape it off, and then put it back in your container. Okay, let's close that up. Alright, now what I like doing is taking a wipey just to wipe off the extra. And you want to make sure you're still staying on your vinyl at this point. You don't want to have any of the etching cream go off. And then set that aside and let's go and peel our vinyl off. Take my little tool here just to pick up that one edge. There we go. Now again, if you want to wear gloves, you can do that, but I'm going to wash my hands really good when I'm done. Let's just take all this off. And then we have that little heart and the two circles. Alrighty, we are good to go. Now to rinse it, just run it under water. And just take your fingers and, run it under the water, take your fingers and just kind of rub it to where you can feel there's no more etching cream on there. Then let it dry. And then probably within 24 hours, I'd probably wash it really good with soap and water. But the first time, I just like taking my finger and rubbing it across. I'm going to do that and we'll be right back. Alright, we are back. I just rinsed it off. And when you're rinsing it off, you want to let the water run for maybe like another minute. Alright, so there we have it. Hopefully you can see that. It did a really, really good job. So there's that one there. And then we have this in here. So a little matching set for my bathroom. Isn't that cute? And very easy to do. Alright, my friends, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.